Okay, so next...
Heading to the Nova GARON system. Picking up some Imperial comms, no surprises there. Okay. Seer, I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm sure gonna miss you. I can't stop thinking about Seer.
Me too.
Won't be able to look at Pyloons the same way again. She fronted me the money. Never got to visit. Now, she never will.
I'm sorry, Grease.
Yeah, me too. I would have liked to have shown her around just once, you know?
You all right?
It happened again. Our friends, our family have died.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's not your fault, but we must not let their deaths be in vain.
So far, so good. You know just where to look. Which way? We have to find him, BD. If he's even still here. Let's try again. Something tells me this isn't just any Imperial base. Some help, please. Close one.
Due to heightened security, this hangar is restricted.
Security
All traffic will reroute to
Let's go, B1.
pads for enhanced inspection until further notice.
He's an officer in the Imperial Security Bureau, the Empire's secret police. If this is an ISB base, what's Bode doing here? Maybe working for Imperial intelligence?
Due to heightened security, this hangar is restricted. All traffic will reroute to tertiary landing pads for enhanced inspection until further notice. Due to heightened security, this hangar is restricted. All traffic will reroute to tertiary landing pads for enhanced inspection until further notice.
Who's that? All right, got it.
No alarms yet.
Due to heightened security, this hangar is restricted. All traffic will reroute to tertiary landing pads for enhanced inspection until further notice.
Hey! Let's get it. Take the shot! Watch it! I can't get through! That's not possible.
Due to heightened security, this hangar is restricted. All traffic will reroute to tertiary landing pads for enhanced inspection until further notice.
I need to clear my mind. Back to it.
Due to heightened security, this hangar is restricted. All traffic will reroute to tertiary landing pads for enhanced inspection until further notice.
That's a Jedi!
Don't let your guard down.
You cannot escape. Scatter failed. Attack denied.
Nice and quiet. Can't let Bode know we're coming for him. Yeah? Let's see.
Pledge troopers on this base. I still can't quite believe it.
Lord Vader.
Servants detected. Jedi recognized.
You will regret that.
Back to burning.
Don't need you anymore.
Possible intruder detected.
Identify the Jedi.
The terminal. Maybe Bode's in the database. Bode's here, all right. Got a place in the officers' quarters.
Hey, you're not supposed to be here.
I'll see what I can do.
Damage to bed.
One hit. Got a solid guard.
Scatters failed.
Do what you gotta do, buddy.
This is Commander Dennick. Let me be the first to welcome. Our guests from the Inquisitorius. We are grateful that
There's
Lord
the base
Vader
commander.
has shown an interest in our operations. We will continue to demonstrate that this bureau is indispensable to the Empire. Our enemies are numerous, but with the intelligence our bureau provides, we will prevail. Be always watchful and stay vigilant. We are the Imperial Security Bureau. We are the eyes of the Empire.
Here we go.
This base is now on lockdown. An intruder has been identified. Bring him to it immediately.
No one's ever escaped us. Okay. Watch out! Don't be a next target. Hold the line. That's not possible.
I have been hit.
Perhaps our new guests can apprehend the Jedi for us.
You only delay your destruction.
Think it was a setup? We're not getting to boat until we find that base commander. Can't use this lift yet. Let me see. Could use some help, buddy.
All security personnel, we've lost visuals on the intruder. Report positive ID to Central Command.
Jedi here? Now! Enemy force!
Focus. All right, let's go.
The intruder has been identified as the Jedi terrorist Cal Kestis. Bring him to me, alive.
Guess the platform is somewhere else.
Electron wall lockdowns have been activated. All personnel, stay clear.
Valueless. Rescanning target. Intruder, do not run.
Stop! Intruder! I found it! Strike me, coward! You, come here! An intruder? Got you! I can still win this! Look at the situation tactically! Direct hit! Step back!
Requesting backup. Report to Central Command.
Intruder detected. Pointless evasion. attack. Move up and attack. I have been hit. Destroy the sentry. Get back here. I am hit. Damage taken.
Throw me a stim, BD. Feeling better.
You are not ready for this!
Does anyone have eyes on the Jedi?
Cal Kestis. I'd assumed the first time we met you'd be strapped to an interrogation chair.
I've heard that before. Still weird. Get on the comms and call off the base alert.
Or what? You're a Jedi. I know what you are capable of. And what you are not.
On the comms. Now.
This is Commander Denvik. The Jedi has been neutralized. All units stand down until further notice. Satisfied?
I'm here for Bode Akuna.
How did you find this place?
A locator beacon on Bode's ship.
Uncharacteristically careless. His reports indicate you two have grown quite close since Coruscant.
You're the one who sent him to infiltrate my team.
Correct. Bode has been my weapon for some time. Quite effective. Unlike those armored abominations in the Inquisitorius.
So it's true. Seer's dead because of you.
No. The Jedi operation is still months away.
You're lying. The Empire burned the archives, led by Darth Vader.
Lord Vader. I have to stop this while I still can! Don't you see? Bode lured you here to destroy me! They're coming! Dead man, let's...
Huh. Yeah. Bode's gotta go through us to get to his ship. Let's hurry. If anyone sees you, it'll blow her disguise. Good thinking, BD. See you on the other side.
Jedi.
Why? Do you want to crack at him?
That's right. He's
The
not answering his
stormtroopers
calls.
possess resistance
Try
training
again.
that I don't know
Maybe he's
about.
interrogating the Jedi. Only for the feeble-minded. Still alive.
Yes.
Incredible.
Exactly.
It was quite the play for Denvik. Beating the Inquisitors at their own game.
Don't let our new guests hear you saying that.
Yes. They're watching
Yeah,
us.
a little.
Oh, of course. And we're watching them.
Which way to the officers' quarters?
A new recruit, I take it?
That's right.
Well, it doesn't speak highly of you to be so unaware of your surroundings. Now get out of here. I don't have time for you.
Thanks for the warm welcome.
Another word and I'll report you for insubordination.
Pardon me.
State your business.
I have an appointment.
And what is the nature of this appointment?
That's classified.
I have clearance. Central Command should have called that in. I'm going to have to call in a security droid. Stay right there. Send down a security droid.
Is this necessary?
I can't...
Let me through, now.
I can't. Not without security clearance.
Let me through, and I'll put in a good word with Denvik.
A good word with Denvik? Yes. Go on, officer.
Hey, buddy. Be ready for anything. Slice it. Flawless. He's not here. Let's look around. He was gathering intel on us the whole time. Focus.
Easy, sweetheart. I know. It's just me and you now, Kata. Just me and you.
Bode's daughter. And her mother.
Hey, Kata. I'll be home soon. I'm bringing you something nice. I can't wait to see you.
Data disk. Looks ancient. Let's see what's on it. find? This is the hollow that Dagon was watching in. Sorry. You scared me. You must be Kata. I'm Cal. And this is BD1.
It's nice to meet you.
Where's your dad, Kata?
He said to pack for a trip. You don't work here, do you?
No. You're the first person to figure that out.
Are you really a Jedi?
Yeah. I am.
Well, I have to finish packing. I can't find my Mookie doll.
Yeah. We'll help you find him. Is this Mookie? Kinda looks like me.
A little. My mama gave him to me.
Kata. Did your dad tell you where he's taking you?
It was supposed to be a surprise. But you got here a little sooner than I expected. Come here, Kata.
Papa, what's going on?
This is my best friend. We had a fight, but we'll get things settled. When we go. Found Mookie.
You were a Jedi?
Yeah.
How'd you survive the Purge?
The Council assigned a few of us to intelligence during the Clone Wars. I used the skills that I learned there to disappear. Went into hiding. Didn't know who to trust. Familiar story? Right. But then I met the most incredible woman. Your mama. One day, Kata and I were out running errands, and I got this message. Don't come home.
Inquisitors.
Looking for me. My wife bought us the time to escape. I knew I couldn't run forever, and so I cut a deal. Danvik keeps us hidden, as long as Papa stays useful.
You were lying to us from the very start.
Tanalor was a way out for both of our families. You were gonna give it to the hidden path. A bunch of strangers.
And you were gonna sacrifice thousands of people to save yourself. We're a monster boat.
No. I'm a father. The first time I held her, I saw the entire galaxy in her eyes. You can't understand understand.
I understand betrayal. And that you lured me here to take down this base. Right?
Well, fighting the Empire is what you do best.
Run! The intruder is in my quarters! He's armed! Shoot to kill! Kill that Jedi! Bode! Get out of my way! Shoot him now! Platform here. Load!
Cal, lot of chatter on the comms. You okay?
Boat's escaping. If he gets away, he's gone forever.
Hey, Merritt, you hear that? Where'd she run off to?
Destroy that fighter! Don't let that traitor escape!
We're too late. We gotta get back to the Mantis.
All personnel, report to the hangar immediately.
here?
Why do you think? I'm rescuing you! I'm with you, Cal. Where's Bode?
They're gone. He took his daughter and the compass. They used me as a distraction.
Damn you! Go on, Jedi. Do it! Do it! Rather you than Lord Vader.
Who is this?
He sent Bode after our team. My crew. Cordova. Fear! They're all dead because of him!
Cal! This is what Bode wants. I know you are in pain, but this is not you! The Empire has taken enough from us! I will not lose you two!
He won't.
See you on the Mantis.
Give the Inquisitors my regards. I'm all right. I'm fine, buddy. You don't have to worry about me. Ice. Reminds me of Ilum. You've been through a lot, huh?
Oh, finally, I was worried sick. Wait, don't tell me. He was fighting the entire base, wasn't he?
You are right.
Okay, Cal. We got no Bode. We got no compass. Now tell me the truth, I can take it. We lost, haven't we?
One compass remains. If you are hearing this, you know where I've left it. But if the compass is gone, do not despair.
What's this?
This isn't just the last goodbye.
There is another way to reach Tanalorr. Activate the arrays and align them to the coordinates embedded in this message.
There's a control center here. If we align the arrays, we can create a flight path through the abyss.
Wait a minute. Let me get this straight. You want me to fly the Manus through a ship-eating nebula using a tiny tunnel carved out by 200-year-old tech?
Yes.
All right, I'm in.